Hello, everyone. This is Jim Okerzinski with your week number 3. Week 3 screencast video. So this week we move into chapter 2, which is all about researching the topics that you selected and talked about in discussion board number 4, exercise 1.5 from the textbook. As I mentioned here, I'll get to commenting on those. Want to take you through the unit here, and this week start with discussion boards. I'm going to have to scroll a little bit here, but we have 2 of them. One is exercise 2.1 in the textbook, where you'll be working on some keywords and related subjects for your topics. The content in the textbook is informative about that process and the discussion board post. And then actually in chapter 2, we're going to talk about what makes up a good source. How do we establish credibility and reliability in selecting source materials? This section's here all about selecting quality source material is important. So let me get back up here over to the module, over to week 3 in chapter 2. Excuse me. I have a couple of videos in here. I believe the chapter 2 lecture video should be relevant this week. I'll take a look at it and let you know about that about midweek. Here is a YouTube video on how to create citations using EasyBib. And of course, the purpose behind this week's lecture video should cover the library research that's online, all the information and links there. And the target assignment after the research proposal is the annotated bibliography. I urge you to take a look at this as you move forward through the week. It'll come up quickly in an 8-week course, so you want to be familiar with this. Once again, it should be the topic of this week's lecture video. I will review that and get with you by the middle of the week. So this is what's happening for week 3 here. Let me run back. So if you have any questions or issues, please send me an email.